Yes, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Big Park. I just go walk around in the beach or here in the park so that I can exercise also. See, I became heavy because my is since I won't be able to go walking, I became grew big in heavy. My kg is additional, I'm already 67 kg. Shahada. Look, water fountain. See? Mm. This is Lake Park. I'll go to the beach. I'm gonna walk beside the beach. There is no sun because I think it's raining yesterday or last night because the road is very wet and there is muddy puddle in the road. See guys. See? In Lake Park, Abu Dhabi. I just walk around even 1 to 2 hours only, and then I'll going home. Later I'll go out again because uh, I have fellowship meeting to attend, and I'll go to the ship. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. It's good the water fountain they open it. It's like to look the water fountain there. Yeah. I want to take a photo near the water fountain here. Oh, I'll go here and you wanna sit here. There. This is around Lake Park, Abu Dhabi City. There. This is man-made lake. They make this lake to put all the duck here. I want to take a photo. The weather is cloudy and very dark. There is no sun. It's raining last night. Oh, yeah. This early morning because there is no sun and the road is very wet. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. I need to pass here going to the Cornish Beach. Next road, Cornish Beach already. That's my favorite thing to do. Every time my day off, I'll try my best to exercise. But because of what happened in UAE, I'm not going out for I think already 3 weeks or since started the war. I did not go walking beside the beach or in the park. I stay at home. That's why you see I became more chubby now. My PG is became heavy. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, and leave a comment or suggestion. And of course, don't forget thank you very much. There's along. This is along Lake Park. Here, but we do have that room here. Bye, guys. Happy weekend and enjoy your weekend. Bye.